Welcome to CaseWare QuickVids. This QuickVid covers the many resources that CaseWare offers to support you and enhance your overall user experience. Each CaseWare product has a line of extensive help information available at the click of a button. Let's begin by taking a look at the help systems. CaseWare products use two types of systems: online help, which opens up to a web browser, and compiled HTML help, which brings up the help within the program itself. In the near future, all CaseWare products will be using online help. View help by clicking on the Help button within Dialogues or by hitting F1 on your keyboard from anywhere in the program. All programs use dynamic, context-sensitive help, meaning that if you access help from within the product, you will be taken directly to a related topic. You can then navigate through the help to find exactly what you're looking for using our Keystone Pages as a guide. What are Keystone Pages? Keystone Pages act as overview pages and contain all types of information related to a specific area. They contain procedural information in the How Do I topics, background information in the More Info topics, and reference information in the Reference topics. Let's look at an example of our online web help in CaseWare Working Papers. I have Working Papers installed on my machine, and I'm going to open it up, and on the opening menu, I will hit F1 on my keyboard. As expected, a web browser opens to the relevant keystone based on the area where my mouse was. I can then go through the page to decide which topic I want to read. I can navigate further using the tabs in the navigation pane, in this case, the Contents tab. I can use the search feature to search through the help system using keywords. I can use the Home button to return to the default home page. I can click the Help Tools to use the various tools available, and I can quickly view all related help systems for CaseWare products in the Related Help dropdown. Clicking on the topic Creating a Working Papers file from scratch, notice the procedural structure of the topic. Across the help, you will notice some new interactive features. These include animations like the one you see here, as well as links to guides and videos. To ensure that you are accessing the latest and most accurate information, our online help is updated frequently. If you have any feedback or suggestions for a help topic, click on the Send Feedback link at the bottom of the page, which will automatically populate an email to CaseWare's documentation team. At this point, we would like to draw your attention to the help tools that were briefly mentioned. Clicking on the help tools, you will see three options: case knowledge articles, videos, and print. View case knowledge articles filtered by the product by clicking the Case Knowledge Articles option. These are knowledge-based articles that cover a broad range of topics, from troubleshooting to frequently asked questions. View related videos by clicking the Videos option. A list of categorized videos appears. These videos are a combination of CaseWare QuickVids and portions of various webcasts covering common procedures that benefit from a demonstration to better explain the concept or task. CaseWare also has a YouTube channel where you can see all videos for all products. If you would like to subscribe, the channel is called CaseWare Vids. Finally, the last option is to print, which allows you to print the current help topic and provides you with a preview. Another key feature we would like to point out is that you can find the installed guides in your CaseWare Applications folder from the Start menu. However, moving forward, guides will be provided in the form of online help. In some instances, there will be guides in PDF form linked directly from a help topic, like in the example seen here. Now that we've looked at our web help, let's take a look at CHM help. We are moving away from using CHM as a help system. However, since it is still in use, we will cover some of the basics using CaseWare Connector as an example. While I'm in Excel using Connector, I'm going to navigate to the Linkage dialog and hit F1 on my keyboard. As you can see, the keystone related to the Linkage dialog appears. It displays a little bit different from the help, but the content and the underlying structure is the same. From here, I can go through the keystone to find the specific topic that I would like to read. I can also choose to navigate through the help using the side panel, where I can click the Contents tab to see other topics, the Index tab to find index topics, use the Search to search keywords, and use the Favorites to save my favorite help topics. Again, if I have any feedback or suggestions that I would like to send to the documentation team, I would click on the Send Feedback link at the bottom of each topic. You are in no way limited to using only these help systems as resources. Remember to visit www.caseware.com for additional help resources. On the CaseWare website, you will find a useful Search Site feature where you can perform a global search across online help, videos, guides, and articles to find exactly what you're looking for. We strongly recommend directing your attention to the Support section. Let's take a look. CaseWare Support has an abundance of materials available for your reference. Here you will be able to do the following: perform a global search, find the latest downloads and updates, see support content filtered by product, access contact information for support, training, and sales, view case knowledge articles, and register for the Beyond the Balance and CaseWare Zone webcasts. We would like to draw your attention to a few areas of the support section, one being the product toolbar. The product toolbar filters content by product and will allow you to quickly access latest releases, enhancement lists, articles, requirements, and help links. The next is the contact information under CaseWare Support. You may want to make a note of the details here, including the contact information for distributors within North America as well as outside of North America. Furthermore, if you are looking for in-person or online training with CaseWare University Online, click on the training links. We also encourage you to check out our case knowledge articles from CaseWare Support, where you can filter by product and do a search using keywords. Recall, this is available pre-filtered within the help systems of each product. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to contact CaseWare Support at support@caseware.com. While any feedback regarding documentation can be sent to documentation@caseware.com. This concludes the video on using CaseWare resources. Thank you for watching CaseWare QuickVids.